Good day, everyone. Today, you're going to study hyponyms and hypernyms. In this lesson, you are expected to increase your knowledge about hyponyms and hypernyms. Example, car and train are hyponyms of vehicle. Vehicle is a hypernym. Hyponyms are specific examples of general word, group, or classification. Hypernyms are general terms or words with a broad term or meaning. Colors is a hypernym. Red, blue, orange, violet, yellow, and green are hyponyms of color. Fruits is a general term. It is a hypernym. Banana, apple, mango, atis, orange, grapes are specific terms. They are hyponyms. Now let's try this. Give two hyponyms of the given word. Flower. Possible answers: rose, daisy. Country. Possible answer: Philippines, Japan. Vegetable. Possible answers: beans, squash. Appliance. Possible answers: television, radio. Insect. Possible answers: bees, butterfly. Read each question carefully, then choose the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following is a hyponym of appliance? Airplane, mango, table, television. Answer: television. Number 2. The following words are hyponyms of color, except for park, green, violet, yellow. Answer: park. What's the hypernym of knife, spoon, and fork? Appliance, cutlery, furniture, vehicle. Answer: cutlery. Which of the following pairs does not show hyponymy? Beverage, tea, plain, grain, fruit, strawberry, vegetable, potato. Answer: plain and plain. My favorite color is red. Red is a hyponym of color, clothes, food, fruit. Answer: color. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.